We're gonna look at everyone doing side hustles today. It's way bigger than I thought.
It's huge.
Yeah, holiday craft fair.
This is the museum now.
This is like one of the first buildings that they had back in the day. All the missionaries built it. Hey, did you know that I love history?
I knew that.
Yeah, that's the mud of history.
What's that?
There's a printing press in here.
Oh, cool.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's a printing press. You print paper there.
You wiggle your butt when you walk.
Can you imagine living in one of these?
Yeah, it actually looks really nice.
They don't make houses like they used to anymore.
All right, Uncle. It just started raining pretty heavily.
That's what's cool about Hawaii is that even though it starts raining, no one's really like,
Bothered.
no. Because in LA, if it starts raining, everyone's like, oh no, and then you don't go out. But then like the rain just comes and goes all the time. Look at this.
Ooh.
Turtles. I love turtles.
You always be getting distracted.
This well is made out of lava rock
Oh, that's cool.
because they don't have brick here. Why? Because they don't have clay here. That's where they used to live.
I'm getting really wet.
Me too. And not the kind that you like.
Kind of the kind that I like.
You know what I heard? I heard that people with ADHD, they have like a go-to food. They have a comfort food that they always get all the time. Mine's Vietnamese food, specifically pho. The reason why I can travel all over the world and not get homesick is because there's usually a pho restaurant all over the world. And although I'm not Vietnamese, it's something that I can rely on if I'm in a major city in a different country. Well, I don't know about the Middle East, Africa, or South America because I've never been there, but pho is the way to my heart.
We even found a decent one in Cardiff.
Yeah, Cardiff was good. Cardiff, Wales. Okay, what I like about that farmers market get together side hustle stuff is because I realized that like I like people's energy of when something's just starting and they're exciting, the start of feeling. Also, like I really like going into shops and just seeing like grassroots right from the beginning, like a little family getting together to build something. And it might be some people's like full time. Like some people are just carnies like me, where they're just hopping from one festival to food fair to conventions, and they just make a ton just doing that specifically. I think it's pretty awesome because a lot of small businesses, it empowers the person to make their own decisions, build their own thing, give something of themselves to the world, whether they're like, you know, coming up with merch on their own or some snacks or whatever. That's where it all starts. And for me, that's like raw business. That's like ancient business. That's like businesses from the beginning. Yeah.
It's a different energy.
I love it.
It's excited and they're excited and it's very hopeful. So that was like a really quick in and out trip. We were just there for 7 days.
Yeah, 7 days to set up the house, to set up the store, to make sure that everything is okay and make sure that we got some good sales going on.
Because the busy season, it's not easy for like someone to run out or grab
busy.
something. Last year it was. This year was pretty quiet. But
Last year was crazy.
If you come during the holidays, it's like 90% of the time we'll be at the store.
Oh yeah,
around.
so come say hi.
Yeah. But look at this dead ass airport. Nobody's here. It's
like COVID all over again. No one's here.
I'm actually excited to get back to Vegas too, because as much as Hawaii is beautiful, Vegas is where I feel like we're the most productive.
I want to get cold.
And also we've got some people coming to visit.
We're gonna have some family friend gathering times.
Yeah.
I like Four Seasons.
Yeah.
Not the hotel, the actual just Four Seasons. So I can't wait to go back and feel cold in the snow. Look at That's me. That's me. On the, you can see it. They put a camera on a train. Today, there's a new business in town, and we miss Hawaii. Technically, Las Vegas is the 9th island. Fun fact. Well, this is not really fun. Sad fact. But there are more native Hawaiians in Las Vegas as residents than the island of Kauai. Now that's some sad ass shit. Priced out of paradise. If you guys don't know what the fuck that is, it's a shame. But in Las Vegas, we get a great quality of life as someone who's lost everything in crypto as a Bitcoin bankrupt man can afford a living decently and keep up with the neighbors.
And this.
And live like a millionaire. Oh wow. I have expensive Caesar's Palace robe.
To be fair, that was like $100.
Yeah, it wasn't cheap, but it's not a Versace.
Nah, not yet.
But who needs a Versace anyway? For me, I only buy luxury goods if I give the same equivalent amount to people that need help in charity.
Yeah, you've actually been doing a lot of that lately.
Yep.
You're more excited because you like supporting new businesses.
Yes, I love supporting new businesses. I love the excitement of a store opening up. I know how that feels. It's pretty intense. All of you out there who are restaurant owners, boba shop tea owners, any owner of a retail shop, let me tell you, people will never understand the struggle. Construction never goes on time. The city permitting is a freaking nightmare. No one cares about your business. No one cares about how much money you're losing. And you're just like, I need to open up so I can start selling stuff. That is one of the most scariest and most craziest feelings on earth. So whenever a business is open, I just want to go out there and like, maybe I can share it and like people will come and you know, getting the word out, it's probably one of the hardest things. There's that struggle too. I'm fortunate enough that I have an audience that I can create buzz around the businesses that I own. So as soon as I open, boom, I have my lovely viewers out there that are like, oh, let's go check it out, right? Whereas all these other local folks, they just open up and then they're just waiting and then they're like, all right, where the customers at? So there's a lot of struggles that come along with it. Business owners are some warriors. They worry like a lot, like they're very worried, but they're also warriors, like fighters too. One of my things I love to do is when a mutual friend or anybody, you know, is like, hey, I got a new place open, come visit. I love to go check it out.
There we are. Guess how late we are?
Locals Poke.
15 minutes late.
Yeah. But my friend came early, so then I feel like I'm 30 minutes late.
Oh, look, you're wearing a Honolulu t-shirt too.
I had to represent. Shout outs to Stussy Honolulu. Gotta represent my buddy shop. Hey!
Joe, this is Rich.
Hey, how's it going? What's up, Anna? Good to see you. What's up, Carrie?
Hey, good to see you again, man.
Look at this. They got boba.
Oh, how many drinks they have?
Wow, they got a lot.
They got all the good shit. I love this one and this one. I always like the most expensive ones.
You love wasabi.
I love wasabi.
Yeah, but I think that would be something you like, spicy masago. Mine's shoyu ginger. That's what I like.
You know, lately I've been into the salmon.
Yup. Furikake salmon.
I heard it's good for your skin. He's so excited about this. Look at the crab down here too.
She doesn't eat all the stuff at Cheesecake Factory, you know? She goes straight and like grind down like, yeah, we go to Helena's, we go to, you know, all the good spots, yeah.
But compared to British food, everything is good.
Yeah.
That's true.
I'll put anything in my mouth.
Yeah.
She eats everything.
What's in like Britain? What do you guys eat? Like
Meat pies, potatoes.
Meat pie. The best food in England
Yeah.
is Indian food.
It is. It is. We're about to eat some poke. You have no idea how excited this man actually is to eat some raw fish.
You know what's funny? It's probably only been about 2 or 3 weeks since we ate some solid poke, but I just miss it so much because we eat it all the time.
I know, we were probably doing once a day on that.
The cool thing is, we just been seeing non-stop customers and they're just open in October. So just from word of mouth, just from like Instagram, just like people craving poke, they're getting customers, so it's a good sign.
Look at this. This is a full family business. We've put him to work already. He's been telling us what to buy. How does it feel to see the store open now?
It's overwhelming.
Yeah.
And makes me just very happy.
Yeah, you proud?
Very, very proud. I mean, I mentioned to you earlier that Justin had this plan from, I would say, a good 2 to 3 years.
Yeah.
And he's been slowly gathering all like the appliances.
Yeah.
Our garage was filled with freezers for how long? Until we found this spot, I was just so thankful. Okay, our garage can now be cleared.
I know. You've got kids. You need space. You can't have fridges.
Yes. But they're truly the reason why we're doing what we're doing. This is our piece of home. It's a reminder of Hawaii, and that was one of the things that it was an ongoing conversation between Justin and I. You know, how do we instill the aloha spirit in our children being here in the mainland? And this, getting a little emotional, but this business is definitely giving us that opportunity every day. They get to run into, you know, local people and be reminded of who they truly are.
Yeah. No, it feels like Hawaiian, yeah, I think.
It does.
Has that family vibe.
Yes.
Yeah. I always get the bougiest stuff.
You have great taste. I'm glad I married you because you eat all the craziest Asian stuff.
Ooh, what is that? Crab?
What's up, dude? He loves Hannah so much.
See, look at this crab. Not a lot of places do this. And this is really exciting for me.
This is how you eat it. Hannah wanted this really bad.
You just suck it out.
Korean style. That's a new casino.
In the middle of nowhere. The brand new casino.
I love a casino.
When did this open?
A couple days ago.
Just a couple days ago?
Yeah. Casino.
He's so excited. He loves casinos, you know. And hotels. He'll look for hours at hotels.
I want to own a hotel one day. I don't even know if that economics is good for a hotel. I heard that it's actually not a good business, but a casino hotel, let's go.
It's kind of throwing me off how bright it is.
I know, it's crazy. Because usually casinos don't have like the glass windows like that. And it's like, you don't know what time it is, whatever. But the way that they did it here, it's pretty open plan, like open lighting. It's just different.
I don't like feeling like people, like, I don't want to gamble on a midday. I want it to feel like
I
nighttime.
gambled all day, so it doesn't matter.
It's actually pretty nice, yeah, huh?
It's a little too cold to be swimming right now, but this is really cool. What did you get? Cappuccino? Fun fact, this place is from Malaysia. It's Papa Roti. I had this in Malaysia like ages ago. I totally forgot. But don't forget the affogato, man. How you like it?
It's very good.
Very good?
Yeah, very, very good.
Drinking all my coffee, eating all my ice cream. I'm not gonna even have any ice cream left. Don't be doing that. Don't melt it. Oh my goodness, no more ice cream for me. They got the plain and then the cheese.
Ooh.
I wanted to try untainted and tainted.
This is the signature.
See, you gotta cut it like this so it doesn't get all smashed up.
Yeah.
Oh, it's freaking warm. Oh my god. That's amazing.
dark bagel.
Okay, I give this a 10 out of 10, especially because it's freshly baked. It's like a melon pan, but it's espresso with I don't know what the hell's going on. This thing too, fluffy as hell. Look at, she's just devouring that. That's how good it is. Oh my. How many years has it been since ice skating?
I have no idea. This is gonna be a problem.
Aren't you born for this kind of stuff?
I should be. I feel it. I feel
Ice queen.
Yeah.
my blood boiling. Like my ancestors are coming through me, and they're like, "We're gonna take you. We're gonna do this."
Look at her, she's scared. I haven't ice skated in like over 10 years, so I had to practice a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm very wobbly.
Damn. You're supposed to be helping me.
Yeah, but let me help myself first. I want to see you fall. Yeah, got him.
Chuck E. Cheese for my birthday. 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 Birthday. Chuck E. Cheese. Birthday. Chuck E. Cheese for my birthday. Chuck E. Cheese for my birthday. Chuck E. Cheese for my birthday. Birthday. Chuck E. Cheese.